going to make Samgak Kimbap using this. Samgak Kimbap is triangle kimbap. It's something that you can easily find in any convenience store in Korea and also in Japan and Taiwan, from what I know. So now I'm going to show you the classic version for Samgak Kimbap, the Tuna Mayo. It's so delicious. And if you are vegan or vegetarian, I'm going to show you another version with tofu, spicy tofu. It's also going to be delicious. Before I will jump to the recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so you will not miss any of my future videos. And of course, follow my Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And now we can move on with the recipe. I have here cooked rice and it's already cold. I have a recipe for this rice, so if you want to make it at home, check it out. It's a little bit sticky, it's chewy, it's perfect for Samgak Kimbap. And I'm going now to season it. So the first one is going to be tuna with mayo and a little bit of onion. And to make the spicy tofu filling, I'm going to cook it a little bit. I'm going to use my stove. I'm going to take it to the stove. I'm going to pan fry it for about 5 minutes and then I'm going to add a spicy sauce from gochujang. And this is the vegan tofu, spicy tofu, and this is for the vegan Samgak Kimbap. It's still hot, so we're going to let it cool down before we will use it. So we will set it aside, and now we will start making the Samgak Kimbap. So to make Samgak Kimbap, you need this specific seaweed. So guys, I finished making two Samgak Kimbaps. And as you saw, it took me just a few minutes to make it. It's very easy, and you can take it to picnic or to school or whatever. I'm going to eat this now. I'm going to show you how to open it. It's very, very cool. This is so good. The seaweed, the nori, is super crispy. Now it's time to try the other one. This is so good. So thank you guys so much for watching another recipe video. I really hope you will give it a try, and I really hope you will enjoy it. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye!